In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a teacher account on Edpuzzle. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and go to edpuzzle.com. Now, as you may notice, there is a blue button that says sign up, and I want you to click on it. Now, when prompted, there are two options. Of course, you need to choose the teacher. Okay? Because if you do, this unlocks tools for creating classes, assignments, and of course, tracking student progress. Now, here's the thing. You can continue with their Google or Microsoft, but I highly suggest you sign up with Edpuzzle using this button because this will forward you to another page. Provide their first name, okay? And then, of course, your last name. And if you want, you can also provide their business or personal email plus your passcode or referral code, which is optional. For example, if your co-teacher or maybe your principal gave you a referral code, you can use that. And of course, click the terms and conditions and click the create a new account here at the bottom because this will forward you to a new page. Now, Edpuzzle will send you a link that you need to click so that they could verify your email address and of course your account. If you click on it, what will happen is, as you can see, your account has been fully verified and you can now browse and learn more about Edpuzzle using the platform. Now, to make sure that your teacher account is ready, I want you to go to the top right corner and click your profile. Here, I want you to click the school. You need to make sure that you pick the correct school because this is important. So LMS integrations like Google Classroom, Schoology, Canvas, Blackboard works properly. And of course, you need to choose the grade level. Is it going to be higher education, infants, and the subject that you are teaching? Once you have done that, go to the My Classes on the left side panel of your dashboard. Create a new class. Okay? And there you have it. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to create a teacher account on Edpuzzle and set up your first class. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.